Good day, my audience. Now, we are still running the series on binomial theorem. We have done we have solved the problem on expansion of x plus y raised to power 7. We've also looked at the problem expansion of x plus 2y raised to power 5 and used it to evaluate 1.02 raised to power 5. They are all there. We've done it. We've done the videos for this. Now, today we are going to look at the expansion of 4 minus 2x all to the power half. Now, this is also a binomial expansion, but the formula we're going to use is going to differ from the one we used in the last two previous works. Reason is because here, whenever we have x plus y raised to power n, where n is a fraction or a negative integer. If n is a fraction or a negative integer, we use a different formula from the one we used in the two previous works. Now here, what formula do we use? We have if n is a fraction or a negative integer, we have 1 plus x raised to the power n. You have 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 over 2 factorial x raised to power n plus n bracket n minus 1 bracket n minus 2 over 3 factorial x raised to power 3 plus ... It continues and does not end. This particular expansion does not have a terminating point. Why? Because the integer is either negative or a decimal fraction. That is a fraction. So we are going to use this formula. And for this formula to be valid, we must ensure that here must be 1. The first number in that bracket must be 1. And then that our x must lie in the interval 1 less than x less than 1. This interval will validate the expansion. The interval validates the word expansion. So here we are going to expand this 4 minus 2x raised to power 1 over 2. First of all, we remember that here is not 1. So we need to make it 1 for this expansion to hold. So what we're going to do now is we have 4 outside the brackets. Will give us 4 over 4 minus 2x over 4. Okay. Everything raised to power half. This will give us 4 raised to power half bracket 1 minus x over 2. Everything raised to power half. This is what we have. So 4 raised to power half is 2. And you have 1 minus x over 2 raised to power half. So we are going to expand this. What we are expanding now is 1 minus x over 2. Using that formula, we have 1 plus, remember that our n is what? Half. And our x now is minus x over 2. This is our x now. This is 1. And our x is now minus x over 2. Okay, and our n is half. Remember that this 2 is just there. Later we're going to use it to expand the bracket. For now, we are just expanding. So the next thing is plus n, which is half, bracket half, okay, minus 1. Half minus 1, okay, all over 2 factorial. We have our x is minus x over 2 raised to the power 2 plus, remember we are moving up to how many terms? 5 terms. 1, 2, 3. The next one is half minus 1, half minus 2 over 3 factorial minus x over 2 raised to power 3. And the final term is half minus 1, half minus 2, half minus 3, all over 4 factorial minus x over 2 raised to power 4. We now evaluate this. Sorry, we simplify further. We have 1. Okay, what we have from here is minus x over 4. Then from here, we have half times minus half is minus 1 over 4. From here, we have minus 1 over 4. And then 2 factorial, which makes it minus 1 over 8. And then because of the power is even, okay, this one becomes plus. We have 1 over 4 times 1 over 4, which is minus 1 over 32. So here is going to be minus x raised to power 2 over 32. Okay, we have evaluated this one. Then this one we have half. We have here half times. This one is minus half. This one is minus 1 over 1 over 2 is minus 3 over 2. Okay, this one is minus 1 over 8. Okay, and then times 1 over 6. Plus 3 factorial is 1 over 6. And then 3 can cancel here. You have 2. This is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. You have 128. So that's going to give us minus x raised to the power 3 bracket over 128. Okay. Then the final term is this one. Okay, let's evaluate that one. We are having half. We are having minus half. That one is times minus 3 over 2. This one is 2.5, which is minus 5 over 2, okay, times 1 over 16, times 3 times 2, sorry, 4 times 3 times 2, which is 6 times 4, that's 24, 1 over 24. Okay, let's see the one that cancels out. 3 will go here, you have 8. So our final result becomes minus, we have 5 up there, 5x raised to the power 4 over, let's multiply. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. 16 times 16. 16 times 16, let's quickly run it here. 16 times 16 is 256. 256 times 8 is 2048. This is what we have. And then when we allow the 2 to multiply, we have 2 minus x over 2 minus x squared over 16 minus s cubed over 128 divided by 2 is 64. Then minus 2048 divided by 2 give you 5x raised to the power 4 over 1024. This is the binomial expansion of 4 minus 2x raised to the power half up to the 5th term. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and then the 5th.